Number 83, more slurs. And we are back to our quarter notes, but we are dealing with a lot of string crossings and intonation things. So play it without the slurs first, so that you can really get in your ear and study what your fingers are doing, and then you can incorporate the bow with it with all of those slurs. If you do the repeat, which you should, because the more you do it, the better, you will have a lift to go back to the beginning. All right, so let's pluck through it and say it. We have a low 2 on the A and the E string because we are in G major. So starting all 3 on the D string. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, D, C, D, B, A, G, B, D, G, E, G, F, G, G, D, C, D, B, C, A, G, G, B, A, G, F sharp, G. I think I called one of the B's a G. So really nice high 2, 3 to lead us into that ending. All right, let's slow it down just a little bit for the bow. Play without the slurs at first and just get it in your ear. 1, 2, ready, go.